Hello everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hanif, and I am from class XRPLB. I will be the host, and Gozi will be the speaker. And today we are diving into a topic that uh, is transforming the world as we know it. Artificial intelligence or simple AI. With me today is our special guest, the technology and and this is and this is welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to talk about AI. It's one of the most fantastic topic of our time.
Absolutely. Let's start with something simple. When people hear AI, they often imagine robots or futuristic machines. What exactly is artificial intelligence?
That's great question. Artificial intelligence refers to computers system that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing speech, making decisions, solving problems, and even understanding language. A well-known example is OpenAI ChatGPT, which can generate human-like conversation.
It's interesting. So AI is just robots walking around.
Exactly. Well, robot can use AI. Most AI systems today are software-based. For example, recommendation system on Netflix or Spotify use AI to analyze your preference and suggest movies or songs you might like.
Oh, so AI is already part of our daily lives without us realizing it.
Yes, very much so. AI is used in navigation apps to predict traffic, in online shopping to recommend product, and even in healthcare to help doctors detect disease earlier and more accurately.
That sounds incredibly helpful. But how does AI actually learn?
AI learn through a process called machine learning. Basically, developer feed large amount of data into an algorithm. The system invents pattern in the data and improve its performance over time. The more high quality data it has, the better it becomes at making prediction of decision.
So it's kind of like teaching a child by giving examples.
Exactly. That's a perfect analogy. For in instance, if you show an AI thousand of picture of cats and dogs, it can effectively learn to distinguish between the two.
Now, let's talk about something many people are concerned about. Will AI replace human jobs?
That's one of the biggest database today. AI will definitely automate question tests as a fairly repetitive one. However, it also creates new opportunity in history. Technology has always changed the job market. For example, during the Industrial Revolution, many manual jobs disappeared, but new industry were created.
So instead of replacing humans completely, AI might change the type of work we do.
Exactly. AI is more about collaboration than replacement. Human bring creativity, empathy, and ethical quality that machines still just to replicate.
Speaking of ethics, what are some risks or challenges of AI?
There are several. One major concern is data privacy. AI systems require large amounts of data, and that data must be handled responsibly. Another issue is bias. If the data is trained AI content bias, the system can produce unfair results.
That's concerning. So, who is responsible for making sure AI is used properly?
It's our responsibility to develop more confidence, governance, and learning resource. Many organizations are working on ethical AI guidance to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability.
Looking ahead, where do you see AI in the next 10 years?
I believe AI will become even more integrated into our life. We may see smarter virtual assistant, more personalized education system, and reports in medical resource. AI could help solve global challenges like climate change and disinformation.
That sounds promising. But do you think AI will ever become fully independent, like in science fiction movies?
For now, that's still science fiction. Current AI systems are narrow AI, meaning they are designed for specific tasks. AI machine that think like humans in every aspect. It's still a long way off.
That's reassuring. Before we close, what advice would you give to young people who want to understand AI better?
Start by learning the basic of programming and data science. But more importantly, stay serious. AI is not just for engineers. It involves ethics, psychology, business, and many other things.
I love that. AI isn't just about technology. It's about people and the future we want to build.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights today, and thank you to our listeners for tuning in to this episode titled AI. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.